Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can install WordPress from the Hostgator web hosting. So first of all you can log in into your Hostgator web hosting account. After that you can go in the cPanel, but you will not be able to find the WordPress installation feature. So Hostgator has added this one, add site, and now you can select here install WordPress, then click here continue button. After that you can add a site title, then click on continue button. So now here you can add your custom domain name, and also you can add a free subdomain. Click here, then again click here continue button. So now WordPress is installing. After installing WordPress you can go and click here edit site. And then click here exit to the WordPress. So here you can see now we are logged in into our website in WordPress dashboard. So now you can go here and remove extra plugins. So for example, if you want to deactivate Hostgator plugin, you can go here and deactivate the plugin. In this way you can easily install WordPress in Hostgator web hosting.